Here's how to make custom emojis on your iPhone. Now, if you want to create your own aesthetic emojis that only you have and only you use, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you need to do is head into the settings, and we need to check to see if you have the right operating system. So let's tap on General and then tap on Software Update. You need to see if you have iOS 18.1 or later. If you don't, just upgrade to the latest version of the iOS operating system. After you've done that, let's just go back out of here and tap on Apple Intelligence. Make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on. Again, the ability to create your own custom emojis is built into Apple Intelligence. After we've done that, we can finally just head into the messages. We'll tap on the emoji keyboard at the bottom left. And now you'll see at the very top right is a person or the little smiley face with the plus symbol. So let's tap on that. And now it says Genmoji. Create your own Genmoji or custom emoji. Now I can type in whatever I want. Let's say coconut tree on mountain. Something ridiculous that coconut trees don't grow at the top of mountains. Usually, I guess if it's a tropical mountain, it could. And you can see it'll just create that emoji for you. So you can keep swiping over and it will keep generating a new one. And when you're ready and you like one, this is pretty good. It has a swing to it. Let's hit add. And just like that, I've created my own custom emoji. I can hit send. And now if I swipe over to the right, you'll be able to see it pops up in the stickers so that I can reuse it if I want to. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions.